Agriculture is the backbone of economic system in different countries. Because of them, they are the one who provide us all of the food that we eat. As a result, the entire population of the country depends upon farmers, be it the smallest or the largest country. Farmers are not considered rich in a financial sense. And also, according to a CDC study conducted from 1992 to 2006, 68 crop workers time frame, a rate 20 times higher than that for most other workers. So we came up with a solution that we have one, and also future farming technology, a robotic solution that may help them done their jobs.
Many of the farmers in our country are adults and do not have enough strength to continue their farming. And their children do not want to be a farmer because they know how hard it is to be a farmer. It takes physical strength and endurance required to this type of work. But with the help of the robot, they will no longer have to work hard to run their farm. It will be easier to work and our economy will increase if we can strengthen our agricultural land. Farmers can only plant 2 seasons of paddy for a year. If it uses modern technology, the working time will speed up and it will be 3 seasons for the paddy field that our farmers can do every year. This will cause an increase in economy and we will no longer import rice from other countries because agriculture can supply our needs.
In ancient times, farmers used horses or buffaloes to plow their farms. Because farming is the most difficult job, so most farmers use animals to be farming assistant. In this work, we will notice that animals like horse, buffalo are having difficulty. So I want to make a robot that will help the farmer so that they do not use animals in farming.
The researcher recommend to change the wheel into a more convenient one, like the wheel in a tooth metal wheel called a sprocket. We don't have enough balance financially, so a lot of parts of the research robotic plow or came from scrap metals that researchers also figure out another form of type of plow. A multitasking one if we only have enough budget or in sponsor to continue our invention. But the results are great. They are proven that it is possible to control a plow programmable using modern technologies. As you can see, the robotic plow really works controlling it through phone by using app in Play Store called Bluetooth RC Car. This is responsible for controlling the wheels, setting direction a person wants, but the blade that are responsible to dig up the soil is controlled in a wireless remote control. To control the plow, it has 2 switches, one for Arduino who's responsible for body controlling, and the other one that indicated at the back of the plow. Just like in the modern car, it controls the power of the motor, if it's filling, leveling, plowing, or plowing. We also upgrade the motor and batteries so the plow work in balance and have enough strength to perform. And why there are 2 switches if it only need 1 switch? It's simple. They are made in case the one switch has a problem or didn't work. The one reserved because a heavy equipment need 2 switches to operate in case the ones had problem. How do you shut it down? That's why there are 2 switches, and the 2 switches didn't have connection on each other. How did I say those 2 switches are different? They are both switches used in Arduino, right? They are both different because the one switch in Arduino works with Bluetooth, but the other one works with infrared. Why did I think to differentiate those 2 signals? One for Bluetooth and one for infrared. It's because the main switch is the one with Bluetooth, the main focus of those 2 signals. But why do I add infrared? They are there in case of accident because infrared signals are direct. It is more convenient to shut it down using infrared.